What are you making now?
I'm making a base for my wife's storage for her cake supplies. 36.
Oh,
36.
You need 36?
36 and 36 is 72. What do we got? We got 72 exactly. I'm trying to correct a mistake. Got a couple rabbits because I'm having difficulties in figuring this out. I'm an amateur and I'm just working this through. My next one I'll have got more ideas. So these basically fit here. There'll be two more down here. Yeah.
What happened with this?
All right, what I've got here is I've got these set in place, glued with one screw holding it while the glue sets. Then on top we'll build another box that the shelf unit will sit on, and in here will be the shoebox, and it will sit in here. So this will give us approximately 5.5 inches of space to put like tennis shoes in here.
And what did you do with this one?
There was a little gap, and so I had some very thin slivers of wood, and I just put some glue on it, and I inserted it into there to add to strengthen the glue. My fence and my blade to heights to make compound cuts like this. I would cut it this way and then turn it and cut it this way. This is a wall cabinet that I bought from Lowe's. It's a generic one. And I'm taking the square, I adjusted it to the depth here. And then I take this and go back over here. Adjust fence. Now I have to adjust my height to 1/2 inch. So I know it's 1/2 inch. Okay, then I have to adjust
This is the bottom of the cabinet, right?
Yes.
This is like you make the base.
Yes, I'm making the base to the cabinet.
Okay.
Okay, so basically I made a box. And what I'll do is I'll glue and I'll screw the end pieces in. I'm going to take this piece and attach using screws.
Okay.
Will go in here.
Okay. one okay, right? Not okay.
No, not okay.
You need to adjust. Adjust it.
Pre-grill. This pine is very grainy, so I had to pre-grill the holes. Well, yeah, it goes, the screw goes in at a better angle, or at the right angle.
Seems like that easier.
Yes, yeah, it does go in easier. And pre-drilling holes to attach this bottom to the box that the cupboard will sit on. Base is done. I still have to attach it, the cabinet to the base, but the base itself is done. It'll sit like this. Cabinet will sit down on top of it. Put a couple blocks here, and then I'll go through the bottom of the cabinet and attach it to the base itself.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna put the base down, put the shoe piece in. And this piece will be the top. Okay for you?
It's more than okay. I love it.
Give you sit this stuff on top, but if you want, we can put another shelf in there too. I just have to cut it down. And then I'll use the biscuit and I'll just put it together. This is the top. I'm going to round over this edge and this edge on both ends, and that'll make it look more finished. this knot, we want it to get out. So I'm going to glue this edge, and then since I've already got some holes drilled, I'll just use screws and put it in this way. And this, it'll be like this.
Why you have to cut a little long?
Well, I'd rather cut it long and have too much, and then cut it too short and not have enough. I've got to make a notch cut here. It just, this piece of oak. So it's 3/4. I better double check.
Okay. Okay. I got it. Oh, you put the glue in. Okay. This one for finishing?
Yes. It clears, I mean, it dries fast. I am using a water-based polyacrylic.
Oh, okay.
Water-based. So cleanup is just using water.
The screw is not
Not long enough.